Let's learn how to SEO search you on Instagram. First is to open your Instagram account and then go to your profile page or profile setting by tapping your profile and then the three lines, horizontal lines on the upper right, and tap settings. Now all you have to do is to tap account, and then under account you have to make your account to be in a professional mode first. So get professional tools. So just continue and click what best describes you. Are you an artist or personal blogger, photographer? So let's try this and click done once you're done. And you're a creator or business, then you can now set up your professional account by completing these things. And once you are in finish, under insights overview, you'll be able to see there your engagement or the accounts that you have reached, and you can update the dates here. So from the statistics, you can easily see how many followers reached or who viewed your profile. So if this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.